Hey guys, welcome back to Techmates. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track Temu delivery date without the app. So first thing first, you have to launch a browser. At the top search bar, type in Temu login. You will see Temu login itself. Go ahead, tap onto that link, and make sure that you are logged into your specific Temu account, and you will see a page like this. In order to make sure that you have logged into your account, you will also see your initial here. Tap onto it, and you will see your orders. Again, tap onto it, and right here, make sure that you are under all orders. You will see all the orders that you have placed, and then you will also see the delivery address if you tap on this shipped or processing. Under processing, if your order is still being processed, you will see the delivery date. And that's how you can solve your issue. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to Techmates for more daily tutorials. If you would like a guaranteed answer to your question, you can also join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.